And people are trying to figure out the message that you're trying to send to the FOMC if you nominate people like Stephen Moore and Herman Cain. What is the message you're sending to the Fed if you follow through on those nominations?
Well, look, these are very capable people, and I think what you have here is a philosophy that strong growth is not inflationary, especially when it comes from the supply side of the economy, which is where it's coming from, you know, as you look at the jobs and the hours worked and the business investment. So these are people that would like a steady dollar, and they don't believe that growth causes inflation, and therefore they will reflect those views to balance perhaps some of the other views on the Federal Reserve Board. Again, I want to indicate that I don't think the Fed right now, today, is very far away from these points of view.
Yeah.
I mean, I've watched the chairman speak. I've watched the vice chairman, Richard Clarida, speak. I'm not sure we have a big disagreement here, maybe one of timing. I don't know. I don't want to get into that because the Fed is independent. But for heaven's sakes, strong growth is not inflationary. More people working can't be inflationary. And that's a point of view that I've held for 3 or 4 decades, as you probably know, and watch the market indicators. And I think that's what those two candidates, they haven't been vetted yet, but those two candidates believe that. And I think that's a good balance to the Fed.